Hello YouTube, I decided I'm going to go ahead and do a range test on this camera. This is a RJX1380 micro all-in-one camera, and I got it on a little Furibee that I've modified here. And here I have the Eachine VR011 goggles with the stock antennas, and we're going to see if this thing will exceed. We got about what, 700-800 feet there that we can play with. Yeah, let's see if this goes. He's going to walk this out. Oh, hold on a second. Bring it back. Hold the goggles. And now we got it. There we go. The thing fell out of the battery. Okay, so here we go. Let's move that around so they can see this is all right. And we're going to look at this. We're going to keep an eye on this and him if we can. Where is he at? There he is. We got the camera, goggles. Is this zoomed out or zoomed in? Neither are. It's not. So we still got a picture there. See how far out it'll get. Now these flags we have marked off at 400 feet. And he's already at the 400 feet, just about the 400 feet mark there. We still got picture. And that is only a 25 milliwatt camera. There he goes past the 400 foot mark, definitely. We still have picture. Now we're starting to get a little bit of static there, but that could be something else. It's back to normal now. A little bit of static. Okay, we got no picture now. Cut it! Oh, you turned around, now we got picture. Now we have picture again. That could have been just some interference. That could have been just some interference. Now I got a little loss again. So we're looking at least well, let's get a beat on this here. Oops. Sorry about that with the camera. He is at definitely more than 600 feet. And this is a 25 milliwatt micro all-in-one camera on a little micro quad, walked out. And we still have an intermittent signal here. But yeah, I still got a little bit of signal. He's got it sitting on the ground. So we're going to go find out exactly how far away this is and measure it out. Hold on just a second. Let me unplug my goggles. And we're going to get the camera. A lot of bugs out here today. Where the heck is he? Way out there. We're going to keep going. I still got the flags up. I decided just to go ahead and do it. Just to test that camera. I apologize for the long walk, but I don't want to cut this video and have you guys think I'm fudging the results here. I want to make an honest review, honest distance. I mean, even 600 feet isn't too bad for a 25 milliwatt camera with those stock eye antennas on that goggles. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm not going to fudge any results on you. I'm going to make sure that everything is 100%. Was that further than the quad went? Was that further than 600 where the quad went? All right, so here's the 400 foot mark. Hold that down. You'll have to run back here once I measure the 100. What do we got here? Still got a ways to go. A little bit more. All right. All right, bring it back. Come on back. Here's 500 feet. That looks like almost a 600. All right. All right, measuring out another 100. Okay, there's 600 feet and just another couple of feet there, so 602 feet. That's about the same distance as the Furibee F36 went in the first place with the modified transmitter. So if you do a FPV with these little cameras, the RJX1380 camera, I mean, you're going to get the same range with the Fury, if you put it on a Furibee, same range as you do with the modified transmitter. But this little camera here, RJX1380, little micro all-in-one, they weigh, I think it's only 3 grams, and they're only about around 20 bucks depending on where you get them. And they don't get as hot as most of the other ones do. I've noticed that, so I highly recommend these RJX1380 micro all-in-one camera. There is not a there's no OSD on these. There's no OSD on these whatsoever. It's just the power of the camera. It's all in one. There are the 2 buttons on here, and I'll have the beginning of this review should have had all that. So I guess I'll see what else I can do with this. Thanks for watching.